Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create contact-based lists in Hubspot. These lists are powerful tools for marketing, sales, and managing customer relationships efficiently. Start by going to the Hubspot homepage and logging into your account. Make sure your credentials are ready for smooth access. Once logged in, you'll land on the Hubspot home screen, which serves as the central hub for managing contacts and campaigns. From here, click on the CRM icon to access your contact management tools. Next, navigate to the Lists section within the CRM. Here you can view any existing lists and create new ones. List segmentation is key for targeting your marketing efforts effectively. Click the Create List button, then choose Contact-Based List. This type of list is ideal for detailed segmentation, allowing you to group contacts according to specific criteria. Finally, define the criteria for your contact-based list. HubSpot will dynamically update the list as contacts meet or no longer meet the conditions. This keeps your lists current and helps improve both marketing and sales efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact-based list in HubSpot. With these lists, you can manage your contacts smarter, run more targeted campaigns, and keep your CRM organized.